Welcome to Zeke's channel 007. Today we're going to be looking at the Rastar La Ferrari RC car. I bought this Ferrari stock California toy store and the full price was $50. Now we're going to be unboxing it and see what comes inside. Inside the box we get the instructions, remote control car, and controller. And here is the remote control. The remote controller runs on two AA batteries. So this is up, down, side, side. This button works, but this one does not. Here is the Ferrari outside of the box. Now I'm going to show you around the car. This is the back of it, the side of it, and this is the front of it. The inside is super detailed. This car has a drift function and runs at a 2.4 GHz frequency. The engine is not removable, but if it was, it would look something like this. This metal collectible is the same car as the remote controller. The batteries go underneath the car. The drift function works because the wheels in the back are plastic and the wheels in the front are rubber. So the traction of the car is going to be in the front. Once the batteries are in the car, the front lights and the back lights both turn on. Once you pair the remote to the car, the lights turn off and only go on when you drive. So right now we're going to go test out this car. We're going to see how fast it is, how smooth it is, and how the drift function works. And just before we go outside, this is made of plastic and weighs 1 pound and 8 ounces. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.